Welcome back to the demo tutorials of Child Journal. In this video, you'll understand how the observation feature functions on the mobile application. Start by locating the Add Activity button. Then, find the Observation activity. The Observation activity lets you register milestones for each age group. Milestones are behaviors or skills seen in infants and children as they grow and develop. The milestones are different for each age range. Now, move forward by selecting Observation. You should have been directed to a new window where you can select a student. Choose the student or students who you want to register an activity for, and then select whether you want to share these submissions with the parents. Then, click Next to move forward. Now, in this window, you'll find the milestones and each age group. Start by selecting the milestones icon and then choose the age group from the drop-down. Next, you can scroll through to find milestones that cover the 5 stages of development: gross motor skills, fine motor skills, speech and language, cognitive development, and social and emotional skills. Next, select the desired milestone and then click Done to move forward. You should be able to see your observation and a message box if you'd like to register a message. Now, click Save Observation to save your entries and OK. You should be able to see your posted observation in the child's activity log. Just locate the child's name and then find the posted observation. You have now finished understanding the observation feature on the mobile app. Don't forget to check out the rest of our demo videos for any future help.